Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to see you here again and I hope you guys are doing well. And if this is your first time here, please do subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Today, I'm bringing you another unboxing and review video. And these are the 3 items from Tatcha that I got from Sephora. I've talked about them in my previous Sephora Beauty Hall video. And the link is in the description box below. After trying them in the travel size, I've decided to get this in the full size. And here is Tatcha's Watercream. I've picked this up during Sephora's recent Black Friday sales. Okay, let's talk about the packaging. It's very pretty and dainty. And the jar came with a spatula and also a kind of hook or a spatula holder on the lid of the jar. And the texture is very interesting. It's in a gel form, but after spreading on the skin, the gel transforms into a almost water-like texture. I guess that's how it got its name, the Watercream. It leaves a very subtle glow to the skin. It's very light and it does melt into the skin quite instantly. And because of that, this product works very well under makeup because it's oil-free. And this is not a totally fragrance-free product. It does come with a very light floral fragrance and I find it soothing and I quite enjoy it. Here are the list of the ingredients. And here are my thoughts on this product. This product makes a perfect daytime moisturizer. And if you have combination skin, this is a great choice. And besides all that, I think the packaging was thoughtfully made with a spatula, which is useful because it keeps us from contaminating the content. And the holder on the lid, it's great to keep the spatula in place. Here are 2 more Tatcha products that I'm considering to get them in full size. I look forward to share them with you when I do get them. Thank you so much for joining me in my unboxing video. If you have tried some of the Tatcha items that I mentioned earlier, please do share with me your thoughts. I'll be so glad to hear from you. If you like my video and my contents, please do give me a big thumbs up. Till the next time, please take care, stay safe, and have a nice day. Bye!